Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make 2025 your most aligned and abundant year? Then this video is for you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick reflect on the past year, clarify our vision for 2025, and then we're going to use proven manifestation techniques to turn your dreams in reality. Why do we need to reflect before moving forward? It is a good idea to reflect on the past, to know where you went wrong so you don't make the same mistakes going forward, but also to know what went right so you can have a clear path on where you want to go. And it's also nice to reflect on the past. So here are 3 journaling prompts to get you started on reflecting from last year. You might want to pause the video to write it down. So here are 3 prompts to get you started. Intention, so important to manifestation. You need to know what it is you want to manifest. So you need to know what your intentions are and you need to clarify them, make them super specific, otherwise it's difficult for the manifestation process to really work. You might sort of get half of it come true, so you need to be really specific about what it is that you want to go forward in 2025. So let's do a little brief vision of your next year. So this is going to help you envision your dream life, okay? So close your eyes and ask yourself, what does your ideal life look like by the end of 2025? Where are you? Who are you? Who are you with? Who are you not with? And most importantly, how do you feel? Very specific about certain areas of your life you want to focus on. So that includes your health, your finances, your career, your relationship, personal growth, hobbies, adventures. Make sure you envision everything into your next year. Got that image of your end of year really clear in your head. Now I want you to write your top 3 goals for next year. Then you're going to break each goal into smaller actionable steps. Then you're going to assign an inspired action to get your momentum going. So say you want to travel abroad, for example. Your first step might be choosing a destination or possibly setting a savings goal for you to have enough money to go to that destination. So you want to break it all down into easy steps, and then what is that one step you can do right now? You can easily pick a destination, takes a second. And then setting a savings goal, that could do with some research, because obviously you need to take into account how you're going to get there. Have you got enough money for food? Have you got enough money for accommodation? Are you traveling by car, bus, plane, etc.? So the savings goal one is going to be a bit harder than just choosing a destination. But I suppose you could just randomly pick a number and say you need £5,000. You probably won't need £5,000, but you could say my goal is to save £5,000. Now we are going to do a quick visualization for next year. So get comfy, whether that's sitting or laying down. Personally, I prefer laying down. I can't quite get comfortable sitting down. It's like I just want to hunch over all the time and I get very antsy. So laying down is my preference, but if sitting is your preference, that's fine. Rest your hands either on your lap or by your side. Close your eyes and take a deep calming breath in and slowly exhale. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, soothing energy, and exhale, releasing any tension or distractions. 1 more time. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Now allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. With every breath, you're becoming more relaxed, more present, and more open to receiving what you desire. As you relax, I want you to imagine it's the end of the year. You've just completed a beautiful, successful, and fulfilling year. Picture yourself in this moment. Where are you? Look around and notice your surroundings. Are you in a cozy home that feels like yours? On a beautiful vacation? Or somewhere you've always dreamed of being? Take in the details, the colors, the textures, the sounds around you. Perhaps there's sunlight pouring through the window, the sound of laughter nearby, or birds singing in the distance. This is your life, a life you have created, a life that reflects your dreams and desires. Now begin to see yourself in specific moments where your manifestations have come true. Picture yourself achieving your number 1 goal. What are you doing in this moment? Who is with you, celebrating or supporting you? How does this achievement make you feel? Joyful, grateful, proud? Hold on to that feeling and let it expand in your heart. Next, imagine yourself living in alignment with your dream lifestyle. See yourself waking up in your ideal home. What does the morning feel like? Are you sipping coffee on a beautiful balcony or meditating in a peaceful space? Visualize yourself enjoying your work, your hobbies, and the balance you've created. Feel the satisfaction of being fully in control of your time and energy. Now focus on your relationships. Picture yourself surrounded by people who uplift and inspire you. Maybe you're sharing a meal, laughing, or having a heartfelt conversation. Notice the love, support, and connection around you. Lastly, see yourself experiencing abundance, whether it's financial freedom, vibrant health, or incredible adventures. Picture yourself taking that trip you've always wanted, or driving your dream car. Feel the freedom and excitement as if it's happening right now. As you hold this vision, notice how your body feels. Feel the joy, peace, and gratitude filling every part of you. Say to yourself, this is my life. I am worthy of my dreams. I am capable of creating this reality. Take a deep breath in, anchoring those feelings into your heart, and exhale slowly. Know that this vision is already on its way to you. Your desires are manifesting in perfect timing. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself in this moment. When you're ready, open your eyes with a smile, knowing you've just taken a powerful step towards your dream life. Take a moment to reflect on what you saw, felt, and experienced. If you like, jot down any visions or emotions that stood out to you. Trust that your vision for 2025 is already yours, and the path to it will unfold beautifully. We've done that. We need to combine our mindset with action, because you need to take action, otherwise it's just wishful thinking. So what I want you to do is to create a manifestation routine. This could be daily affirmations, journaling, meditating, whatever it is that helps you relax and manifest. 2025 is yours to create. Stay consistent, trust the process, and remember, you are capable of manifesting your dream life. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down your #1 goal for 2025 if you feel comfortable sharing. Subscribe for more manifestation techniques, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.